Tattoo mask. Kids, we all play with masks of animals and superheroes. Let's make a tattoo mask. With the help of paper plate, you can make different masks. Make them live with the help of bindis, wool, eyes, etc. Follow the instructions to make your own mask. Color this given picture with crayons. Take a paper plate and cut a quarter piece out of it. Cut the quarter plate in 2 parts and paste them as shown to make the ears. Paste wool on the face for moustaches. Cut the eyes open and your mask is ready to wear. It is so cute.